good. Period. Poo.
I literally almost said taste test. First of all, I wish I was doing a taste test because I like to eat. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. If anything, watch it because he invested a lot of money into me. Please. Hi friends, it's Ray. We are gonna go ahead and get straight into putting on some of my accessories that I got from my new DJI Pocket Osmo 3. Thank you, shout out to my man. I have to keep saying that because I really am so grateful, so thankful. So I did pick up quite a few accessories. So if you're new, comment down below, let me know. I would love to know. I do a lot of vlogs. I'm a fitness girly. I'm a yoga instructor. I like to lift. I like to run. I'm training for a half marathon. I have a 9 to 5. I'm a corporate girly. I'm tired. And that's why this is called the Busybody Diaries, because I'm busy AF. Hi friends. It's been a second since I've talked to you guys. A lot of the times it's just me vlogging, sometimes doing voiceovers, sometimes doing subtitles, but I'm here for a special reason. I have acquired something. I didn't purchase it, my boyfriend bought it. Some of you guys already know. I'm so excited. He got me the DJI Pocket Osmo 3 for my birthday. I literally am so excited. I wanted to unbox it with you guys, but I was just too impatient. So I've actually already opened it. I've actually already opened my SIM card as well. This is just like a SIM card converter, but it came with a micro SD. Did I say SIM card? I meant SD card. I bought a micro SD card and it came with a converter because like my computer doesn't take the micro. I've already put that into my camera, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. My partner got me this on my birthday and it is now like almost the end of July, and so I honestly forgot everything that I ordered. I have recorded a few videos on here already, but the thing is I haven't gone through my settings yet because I wanted to do that with you guys, so we're gonna do that today. I finally have some time. Work has been kicking my and I've just been busy. I'm a busy girl. We're gonna get all my accessories unpacked together and get into this. I can finally start vlogging. I have my Sony. The issue with my Sony is that I just have the lens kit that comes with it, and it's like not wide, and it's not bulky. Like obviously coming from a 5D Mark III Canon, when I did photography, that thing is huge and hurts my fingers. So my Sony wasn't bad, but this DJI is perfect for vlogging, and so I'm just super thankful to my babe for investing. He's always really good about gifts and investing like in the things that I'm interested in and things that'll take me somewhere. So y'all, I hope you watch this because he invested a lot of money into me. We have a Z camera. It's smaller than I thought for sure. Honestly, I'm like scared of ever dropping it and breaking it. It's like the size of my hand. It's crazy. This one comes with the handle. It's a small little handle. I think I'm gonna end up getting maybe the bigger one, and then it clicks in here. So it makes it like a little bit longer. And then it has this little case, which we'll get into. I'll probably end up, once I learn more about this camera, I'll end up probably making another video about like things that I like, things that I don't like. But so far, I just watched a couple videos from other creators and I went on Amazon. I don't even have Amazon. I use somebody else's Amazon account. I haven't had Amazon in a couple years because I had a credit card. Like I was giving Jeff Bezos all my money. And thankfully, one day I made a payment from the wrong account. And so it came back as like a returned payment and they closed my whole account. Like they didn't even let me fix it. So that was really annoying, but it was a blessing in disguise because I was spending way too much money on Amazon. How stinking exciting. I love it. My little setup, you guys can see, I just have like my camera on a stand. I literally went through so much trying to set up my lights. I don't have like a crazy amazing setup, and that's a lot of times what stops me from making content because I just feel like, oh, I don't have a cute enough space. But like this is regular, this is normal life. Like everybody doesn't have an amazing setup, and I'm gonna get there one day when I like have my own place, when I'm out of debt, when I can make my room and my home my own. I will just have a much cuter space to do content. But for now, I'm here in my little corner, and this is what we're getting. So I love how like wide this is. It's perfect. It's literally like, okay. It's crazy. I'm gonna start to unbox the accessories that I have. These things I've already taken out of the package, so let's get into what they are. First, I'm gonna open up an AirTag. I saw somebody say to put an AirTag on her Osmo Pocket 3 because she has lost like 2 of them, or I think she was on her 3rd one, or she lost 3, she was on her 4th. And I'm like, you know what, that doesn't sound like a bad idea, because it's a small little thing. Like, I'm sure it's easy to just leave behind, like at a restaurant when you're vlogging or something, which I don't think I would do that. But
this baby is not gonna get lost, not on my watch. I have never owned an AirTag. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now it made like a noise.
I've never had an AirTag in my life for anything, but it's definitely needed. I do be forgetting, I be losing stuff like my keys and stuff, so I'm excited to get this. So I got some protective covers for the lens and for the screen, which is definitely gonna come in handy because I can be a little rough. I don't know if they meant to send me to or not. Okay, I have a magnetic car mount. So that's exciting because I like to film in my car, but like, you know, I also am a pretty safe driver, no accidents. You know, I hardly ever get pulled over. I did get pulled over last week for speeding. But if y'all have heard of the whole like slow down, Operation Slow Down, the police have been out child in Atlanta. So I did get pulled over, but luckily he let me out with a warning. So here's some magnets. The car. Ooh, it's gonna stick real good. I'll have to play around with how to like get it, you know, I don't know, you know, we'll see. I don't know. What's going on? There's a lot going on here. We'll figure this one out a little later. Ooh. So we have an extendable vlog tripod, which is nice because I wanted one that was gonna like be a little taller. 140 millimeter extend. I don't know what that means. Scalable. No, I have no idea what this means. Ulanzi, somebody, the girl that I watched who had an accessory video recommended this brand, so that's why I got it. All this stuff is so foreign, like I'm gonna definitely have to figure out. I have no idea how to even open this tripod. No idea, no clue. Oh, silicone base, yes. This little base for the camera to go into, just to sit into, so that you like have like a stable thing to put it on. So hopefully that works very well.
Honestly, it kind of makes me a little nervous to leave my camera like this. Again, it's a gimbal. I do not want this thing to break, and so it'll be a little bit more stable having it in something like this. And I can leave my camera just like that and feel comfortable leaving it there and not worrying about it toppling over. So yay, that is super exciting. Love that for me.
Don't make fun of me. I got a neck holder mount because I'm a fitness girly, okay? I meal prep my food a lot, and this girl said that she felt a little lame for it. I think that's what she said, but I was like, let me get it because more often than not, nobody's gonna see me wearing this neck mount, and it's just gonna be a lot nicer than trying to set my camera up in a weird way. Now, Amazon did say that this item is returned a lot, so we'll see once I start to use it, but I'm guessing it goes around my neck like this, clip it in like that, and somehow, again, that's something that we'll figure out at a later date. All right, here's all the goods. Oh my gosh, I forgot about all this stuff. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this, the Mic Mini. So I went with the Mic Mini instead of the Mic 2 just because they're smaller. I felt like watching all the videos, the comparison, honestly, I felt like this one topped in so many areas. Maybe besides the sound, the quality is really good. The sound did sound crisper on the 2, but just a little too crisp. Like this sounds more natural to me. So I went with the Mini and it was cheaper, so why not? Okay, unfortunately my phone died. Literally, it's crazy because I knew it was dying, so I checked on it, and literally as soon as I turned my back and came back and sat down, I said one sentence and it died. I didn't technically check what the percentage was on it. I just checked to see if it was still filming, because usually it'll pop up and say like 10% left, which I should have known. It was like on 16 when I started filming it, but so I missed a lot of the content, a lot of the things that I unboxed. And just show you guys really quick because I don't remember. It left off on the Mic Minis. I already unboxed everything, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. So I got the Mic Mini. I have the cords and everything that it came with in here. It came with like the, I think we call them like mufflers, I think, or just the covers of the mic. So we have these here. I already just love like the quality of this stinking camera. I'm so excited to get into it. So it comes with 4 of these. I have 2 mics. so excited because this is a Rode mic from like my college days. Mind you, I graduated like 5 years ago from my college days. And then I had like these little mics that I got from Amazon a couple years ago when I was gonna start doing mic'd ups in the gym. And sorry, it's like dirty. I used it 2 or 3 times actually, and I could never just get it to sound good. I feel like I could never get it to connect with my phone because my Bluetooth headphones were always connected and this wouldn't connect. It was just too much. So I was like, nah. Did get the minis. Look at how small it is. I love it. I feel like it's just like more discreet than the Mic 2 is. I can just hook it onto my shirt. So I think there's another way to clip it on. Oh no, it's yeah. Oh shoot, okay. So first of all, what the heck? All right, I can clip it. You see? I love this. There's a freaking magnet. Like, are you kidding me? I can just, bro, this fire. Definitely gonna be doing mic'd ups in the gym now. Like, I'm so thankful to my partner, Tony. Shout out to you. I love my boyfriend, and I'm just so thankful that he invests in me and like the things that I'm clearly interested in. A few years ago, like maybe probably like 4 years ago, 3 or 4 years ago now, he bought me this lens that I had tweeted about once that I liked back when I had my photography business, and he literally got it for me. I was like, this is so sweet, and I felt bad because I never really used it. It was a manual lens, so like I always had to like adjust it to focus, and I loved how wide it was. I just never really used it for my photo shoots, and I no longer have my photography business, but my camera's definitely gonna get used. So yeah, I'm really excited about my mics, and I can't wait to set these up. Go too close.
Really want to figure out how the heck to set up the mics. That's what I'm really excited about. So we're gonna go ahead and get into that. All right, so first I remember seeing something in the settings about wireless mic. Here we go. It says press and hold blinking button until indicator blinks blue quickly. There we go. Wireless mic connected. Because I just want to see how the mic sounds. I put it on my shirt. I don't even know if you can see it. Like, it's pretty discreet. So I kind of really am already digging the Mic Mini. So yeah, we're doing a test. I don't know how to test it. Okay, that turned the mic off. So I guess I'll be able to tell like what the difference is from being on and from being off. So yeah, that is my mic. Okay. I got a case for the DJI itself because I talked about how I wasn't really a fan of this case. It just feels like my camera's exposed, and that's why I ended up getting my carrying case. So I got this, and it's like kind of like a hard shell. So it's like squishy, but it's gonna be protected in here. But what I liked about this case that it comes with is that you can put like filters and lenses in here. That's cool to like carry it around, and because they're so small. But this one, I'll put my DJI in here. It'll cross over, protect the lens and the screen. So like this is something else that I got all of this from Amazon. I hate that I got it from Amazon, but it was just the easiest thing to do, which is not a good excuse. I understand. But it was Prime Day. So if y'all want to order any of this stuff, I'm linking it in my Amazon storefront. If you are somebody that is still using Amazon, I don't personally use Amazon. I had to use somebody else's account, but I do have a storefront. You can head over to the link down below and purchase any of this stuff if it interests you. But I also got some lenses. I got a wide angle lens, which is exciting. And then I got some lens filters. There we go. Camera, tempered glass, camera protector, period. I feel like that went on pretty well. It's so scary touching this thing because like I just don't want to break it, y'all. Or actually, I think I got 2 more in each of my, I have fingerprints on here too. That's wild. I think I got maybe 2 standalone. I just feel like you can never have too much, so hope I put that on well. Okay, I think that's good. Yeah. Okay. Cause I'm all right down. Like literally I'm just at arm's length right now, and it's a good distance, and I love that because with the Sony, like right now, I think it's also in portrait mode, but like it's back here and it's like super close up. You'll see the difference. If you saw, I did have some filters that I got. Try it right now and see like what they do. I have heard it described as like putting sunglasses on your camera. I forgot. Okay, this one comes with a screen protector as well. So I already bought some screen protectors like you guys saw earlier. It has the 4 lenses. Let me just play around with one. I'm gonna put on the CPL just because it's the first one in here. This ain't coming out. I think it's magnetic too. I think I can just put it on. Okay. Now, I don't know what that did. Oops. I don't know if that did anything. Let me take it off and see. Do y'all see a difference? Wait. Oh, I saw the difference. Hold on, okay. You see? Okay. Now I got my fingerprints on it though, so I'm gonna have to wipe that down. Cause I'm on wipe it down, I'm on wipe it down, I'm on. Ooh, okay. I don't want to put it all the way on because it's kind of, oh my gosh, yeah, it's literally like putting sunglasses. Period. Poo, boo, 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 poo. That was ND64 if anybody was interested. This is ND16. Not putting it all the way on. Yep, just like sunglasses. Okay, cool. Because you see how bright like my light is shining on me? If I don't want it that bright, boom, I could put on a filter. Last one is ND256. Oh, this one's real dark. That one's real dark. That might be on like a sunny day in California or something if I'm ever back there, but cool. Let me do CPL one more time. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. It's pretty, that's like a pretty natural one. But I'm gonna have to watch more videos and see what else people, like how people just utilize those. I wanna open this wide one too, because I think that's pretty stinking cool that I can put a wide lens on my, I feel like this camera's already pretty good about like being wider. I don't know, I wonder what the original dimensions of the DJI camera is. Let's figure that out. All right, I want to recycle all of my boxes. We just cleaned out my boyfriend's closet this weekend and he had hella boxes. So I brought so much stuff home to recycle. And now I'm adding even more because if I'm gonna order from Amazon, the least I can do is like recycle the things that I have. I need to go ahead and put a screen protector on right now. So I'll do that in a second. Here's the wide lens. I can't wait to see what this does. All right. So I don't know, I think this one's magnetic too. Did that make me wider? Hold on. Oh, I see the difference. Yep, it made me wider. Yeah. Okay. I can't believe I'm doing that now. I never like understood I hated it and now I'm like, yeah. The only thing I heard about this lens is I think that you can't put it in the case, you know, with the lens on, so I'll have to constantly take it off. But anyways, so that is my accessory video. I'm so excited to like get to try everything and like learn how everything works. If you have any of the same products or you want any of the products, I will link them below. I'll link the 2 people that I watched as well. But comment down below if you have any of the same things, if you're interested in seeing more of what I have, what I maybe plan to get. If you have recommendations, I would love to hear it. But we're gonna go ahead and get into the setup of my camera with the different settings, but I'm gonna make that an entirely different video. So catch me over there, it'll be linked right up here. Maybe a little box, I'm not sure yet. I'm getting back into my YouTube bag, thanks to my babe. Okay, so I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new, comment down below, let me know. I would love to know. But come along with me if you're busy too. I'd love to get to know you, and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye friends.